Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen, and to those joining me for the first time, a very warm welcome to you. Today we're making squidgies. Yes, what is that? That's what my husband asked. Do I like them? Yes, you will like them. They're quick and easy to make, and they almost look like shortbread, but they're not hard and crunchy like shortbread. They squidgy, as the word implies, because it's coconut and cake mix, and you just bung everything in, put it in the oven, and then you have delicious snacks that will last a little while depending on your sweet taste. Everything that we need is in twos, so pretty easy to remember. I've got 2 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. If you use self-raising powder, then just the 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of coconut, 2 cups of cake mix, 2 eggs, and 250 grams of melted margarine. The eggs I've beaten already, so that when it goes into the mixture, then it is quick and easy. Okay, so let's just get started. Let's just bung everything in. And I forgot the salt. So, a pinch of salt, big pinch, and in we go. Let's mix that up. And then mix in my eggs. And then the margarine. So when it's all well mixed in, you're going to put it into a baking tray. I've chosen this baking tray, and then you're going to put it into your tray and smooth it out. I often use my hands, it's so much easier. Yes, I did wash them. And that is as easy as it gets. We're going to put it into the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes till it comes out brown. And when it's done, we're going to cut it up into squares or rectangles and eat it. There you go. I've had mine in the oven for about 35 minutes. It's quite brown. You've got to cut it while it's soft so that it cuts really nice and easily. While it was in the oven, I whipped up a batch of rusks. If you haven't seen my rusk recipe, go and have a look on my YouTube channel. There you go. Now it's time for tea. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel for the next recipe, and share it. Thank you for joining me. Until our next recipe. Bye-bye.